Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating WhatsApp and asking the person to accept a quick video switch. This is the only practical route to change a call background. Once ready, initiate a video call instead of a voice call. Tap the background icon or the three dots, then choose a preset or upload your neutral image. Do this now because WhatsApp does not offer a direct voice call background setting. The video route is the workaround that gives visual control. With the video connection active, set your background using the in-call background selector. Pick upload or a preset and position it. Take a moment to preview. Once you confirm, the background renders behind you in real time. This is why you switch to video. Make sure lighting and framing are stable because the effect can shift. If you need a subtle look, choose a low-contrast image or light blur. Once satisfied, proceed to the next step to keep the call effectively voice-centered. Now stop your camera. The call continues as voice while the visual background was applied during the video phase. This is the one available technique. If the other person reports not seeing the background, ask them to update WhatsApp and reopen the call. Mismatched app versions often block background rendering. If problems persist, end and restart the video step, reapply the chosen background, or reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort. Remember, this workaround exists because there is no native voice call background feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.